Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I guess this is the face reveal, but welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna hit the road and try and go get some sheepshead. There was a tournament yesterday. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but here in Northeast Florida there was a tournament. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. We'll hit the bait shop. I'm gonna get some food beforehand. I've never caught a sheepshead, but I got my Shimano Sienna rods with me, and you know, they're a little nicer than the other Shimano I use. They're a little more sensitive, and we got 20-pound braid, 20-pound fluoro, half-ounce egg sinkers with a Carolina rig rigged up, size 1 mustad J hook, and the bait shop does have fiddlers, so we're gonna go get like half a pint, and fingers crossed, man. Let's go get some sheeps. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at Browns Creek Fish Camp. We are fishing off of the dock. If you didn't know where I lived, well, now you know. I said Northeast Florida, but the people here are extremely nice. It's my first time here, and surprisingly, I am the only person on the dock, which is incredible or bad, I don't know. But we're gonna see if we can get some sheepshead. I am recording in 4K today, so hopefully the quality is extra good. I got fiddlers and we're wearing gloves because I'm not trying to get my hand cut. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get my hand fucked up, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, today we're using the Shimano Sienna combos. Sienna 2500. We got 20-pound braid, 20-pound fluoro, half-ounce egg sinker. And we're gonna see if we can get us some sheep. She said they're little over here, but you know, I didn't want to drive too far, and I might not even catch anything. So we got a size 1 mustad O'Shaughnessy. Let's see. Grab us one of these little fiddlers here. You got a big old claw, buddy. I don't know about that big old claw, man. You might be a little intimidating to some little sheeps. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to scare the sheeps off. Ah, shit. Come on. What the hell? There we go. All right. Let's just get this guy on our hook. And see if we can get a sheepy sheep. Like I said, this is my first time going for fiddlers, so probably won't catch anything, but never knew. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through this guy's side. Stick him out like that. Alright. And that there should be some sheepshead candy. Got on 20-pound Power Pro. What in the hell is going on here? Why isn't my line moving? Oh. That would explain why. I was caught up. Oh boy. Yeah, they're still on. Alright. Nope. Okay. The waves are definitely moving today. No, not y'all's. Don't say y'all go taking my bait. Interesting. Interesting. Nothing's stolen the fiddler, so oh boy. I may have not wanted to put him there, but that's where I put him anyway. Oh jeez. Oh. Fucking snag. No. Well, that's embarrassing. I immediately broke off. I casted in the middle of those pilings, and I forgot by looking at this first one and that one that they got wood in between them, and I just snagged the shit out of my rod, so I had to cut my fucking line. And my pliers just fell off my fucking pants. What the fuck is going on this afternoon? fuck is going on, man? Get back on there, you piece of shit. Pliers are trying to escape and shit. Alright. We're gonna fish the actual dock instead of those pilings, because now I am scarred from that incident. Ah, yes, you are a small one. A small fiddler for a small sheeper. Fiddler, fiddler, fiddler for a sheeper, sheeper, sheeper. Fiddler, fiddler, fiddler for a sheeper, sheeper, sheeper. Fiddler for a sheeper. Alright, dude. I'm gonna need you to catch me something, alright? Say, I'm gonna need you to catch me something. Alright? Deal? Alright, Carolina rig. Back in action. Am I feeling the current? I think I'm feeling the current. He's still on there. Okay. No. Still in bait still. Nothing. Oh, sinker's getting caught. Oh, it's the tag, that long ass tag I got on now. There we go. This is really shallow. Let's see. So that piling was right there. And here we have another one. Decisions. Here we go, here's a piling right here. Oh, I think it might be being moved by the current. I was like, why is my line moving? Yeah, he's on there good, so. Huh. I did forget my net though. Like an absolute fucking goofball. I'm out here with the new deck boots. Can we fish that as well? That pier? Man, I might walk over there. Look at all the lines that I've gotten snagged out here. That's probably a little deeper water over there too. absolutely nothing over here. This might... Well, shit, it should be deep enough. Yeah, right, you'd think. I don't know. Maybe there's just no sheeps over here. Let's drop down next to this one. I'm not sure if I'm getting close enough or what, but... Well, it's not getting stolen, so that's telling me that there's just no sheeps over here. I don't know if I can fish that thing over there. That thing looks rusted the hell out. Let me see if I can get this thing just a little further out. But not get my line snagged again. Because that shit wasn't fun. Yeah. Huh. Look at that big old fiddler crab. Fiddler claw is what I meant. Yeah, man, I don't know. Let's see what time it is. I don't want to get skunked all day. There is one other area that I'd be down to go pop over to, so I'm gonna drop a couple more times over here. If my crab was getting stolen, then obviously that means that sheeps are here, and I would keep trying. But even with the fiddler not getting stolen, you know, it's just making me think that's nothing's here. So let me not cast this like a fucking idiot. And I mainly put gloves on to handle the fiddlers. You can call me a little girl all you want. I'm new to this shit. I don't want to feel a claw. Oh, that's the weight moving, okay. That's not that far down, is it? Is this shit getting tangled up again? Nah, not really. Okay. Man, I'm gonna try to make it. Oh. That wasn't too bad. At least I got over to the other piling. Nothing. Man, what the hell's going on here? All right, couple more drops. Where's that piling? Right here. Yeah. And then we have one more spot to check out. Well, maybe multiple, but it's Sunday and I'd like to spend some time with my family. Some. Is the current moving it? Huh. This is not a successful not a successful run. But I'm gonna drop over here again, and if it's nothing again, then we'll just head out. I haven't been here too long. I've been here maybe half an hour, so you know, not lost a whole lot of time here. I'm gonna do it on this side because this side's probably deeper. Yeah, Fred's not getting any sheepshead over here. I'm not catching shit, Fred. Oh, there he goes. All right, we are going to move to our next place. I will catch y'all when we get there. Made it to our second spot. Hopefully we can get something. Man, look at that current right there. That's crazy. All right. Let's get one of these here fiddlers out. Come on. You son of a bitch. Alright. It's kind of a big claw, buddy. You might be scaring some sheeps off. Ah, crap. Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh. I guess my line got tangled up all weird. If you live in Jacksonville, you probably know where I am right now. Man, that current is really taking it. Holy shit. Man, that current is crazy. Let's try over here. It's a little more calm right here. Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck's sake. Man, this fucking... I'm getting wind knotted or something. This shit's a nightmare right now. Let's see. Man, that current is moving. I got a ½ ounce on. Maybe I should have brought an ounce. Fuck. Yeah, man, it's drifting my shit right away. Damn. Damn, man. What I might do, instead of using a Carolina rig, I might make a bottom drop rig so I can switch out my weights. Since I have a Carolina rig, you know, there's not really any way for me to just simply switch out weights. Damn, this current is ripping my ½ ounce fucking right away. Damn, it took it far. Man, shit. Yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna check the Tide app and see how the wind is going. Because I have a feeling it's just the current's too much for the ½ ounce. And I don't have, I got Sheepshead, I got bottom knocker jigs, but those are only ½ ounce too, so. Shit, what I'll do, since I snagged my other rod, I'll set that one up with an ounce. I'll keep this one ½ ounce, and I'll have that one as an ounce. Just so we have two rods. Two weights, rather. Yeah, see, you see my line just whee. Damn. The current is so strong. Yeah, this ½ ounce has no... This ½ ounce ain't shit to this current. Come on, untangle. Oh, get untangled. What are you doing? What the hell happened here? Oh, shit. Nope, I don't want you flying off in the water now. There we go. I need to cut my tags way shorter. I have this fear that if I cut my tag too short, it'll loosen my knot. So I always, especially my fluorocarbon leader, I always keep the tag decently long. Which is absolutely unnecessary, obviously. What I might do is next time I'm back over here, I'll hit Browns Creek and I'll probably get some ounce jigs as well. Because, man, this current is ripping. Is there like a calmer area? Like, this area over here looks calmer, but I don't really think it is. Yeah, see, it's instantly wee. Shit, man. Damn. My weight has no chance. Well, shit. Damn. It's just getting pulled away, man. This is a beautiful area, though. Like I said, if any of my favorite YouTubers around here are watching visually, Ace, on the line, anybody, you know exactly where I am. If you live in Jacksonville and you would like to know the spot, message me on one of my socials. Do not put where I am ever in the comments. Your comment will get deleted. If you live local and you would like to know, or if somebody else would like to know, message directly. The current is so crazy right now. Do y'all see my rod tip bending? That's how crazy this fucking current is right now. I don't mean to curse, but I'm just astonished. This is a beautiful area. It really is. Got people over, I almost said the name, but we got people over there. That's pretty cool. Next time I fish, y'all, it might be surf fishing again. We're getting no bites, no stolen baits, no bites, but also our weight is way too light for this area. So, yeah, look at that. It's just gone. Man. Damn, man. I mean, I'll let it, trying to bring it back a little bit. Man, and we're on the incoming tide too. Maybe incoming tide I need heavier weights. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe outgoing tide, you're not really getting a lot of current, so you don't need too much weight. But incoming tide, maybe not. Maybe incoming's not always this. Shit, this isn't really even rough. Half ounce is just extremely light. Yeah, nothing but current. Nothing but current taking my taking my weight. Damn. This is crazy. Yeah, it's just taking it right away. Man, damn. I don't know, maybe I'll get a bite. Damn. Well, we have learned our lesson. Come out with some heavier weights. Yeah, I think I might make a bottom drop rig. I'll probably have one as a jig and then one as a bottom drop. Because I got 2 of these rods. I just snagged my other one earlier like a dumbass. There it is, drifting off in space again. Damn. Well, I got a whole half pint of fiddlers for absolutely nothing. I don't know how I'm gonna keep them. I might throw them in the freezer and use them for black drum on the surf. Let me know in the comments what I can do with leftover fiddlers. And I've never caught sheepshead before. I'm a beginner, so you know, all the guys that keep fiddlers because they actually catch sheepshead and stuff, that makes sense, but I don't catch fish. So you know, should I release them? Should I freeze them? I'm gonna freeze these ones probably, but for the future, let me know what I should do. Man, that is crazy. Maybe the tournament yesterday got all the sheepshead to get caught. Or maybe this place is fished a lot, I don't know. A lot of people are fishing the bridge, but not a whole lot of people over here at the dock. Too late. Wait is too late. Yeah, that bridge over there. I'm gonna come out here on a weekday at some point, and you can actually fish like one of the first pilings on the bridge, off the bank. And I got these new deck boots in this morning, so I'll actually have to put them to use on some rocks and stuff. Well, visually, Trong, if you're watching, don't come here. I wonder why nothing's biting today. Also, doesn't help that my weight keeps moving, so the sheeps might not like that. But there is a gentleman to my right, and he hasn't really caught anything here either. He's either using fiddlers or blue crab, and he has gotten absolutely nothing. I've heard that Jacksonville is just having some rough fishing lately. I'm not sure. Yeah. Dude, it's getting dragged so far. I'm gonna drop one more time and then head out, because this is just this is crazy. Yeah, this is wild. I'll have to come out with some heavier tackle next time. Yep, nothing but current taking my weight. Alright, y'all, as much as I would like to stay out here, nothing's biting and my weight is too light, so I really don't think oh damn, I broke his bottom. Look at that, poor guy. I am sorry, my friend. Yeah, bye-bye. Alright, well, I'm gonna freeze the rest of these fiddlers, and we'll have some surf fishing bait for some black drum, hopefully. Let's go ahead and get going. Skunk, skunk, skunk. Alright, well, today was an absolute skunker. Yeah, that guy up there on the dock has, I think he said he has like a pound weight, which that doesn't even sound realistic. But yeah, his Carolina rig looks like it has like a 4 or 5 ounce on it, and he said his is drifting, so man, I do not know what I'm gonna do next time, but yeah, I have a whole lot of little guys left. Thankfully I just got half a pint, so yeah, but oh boy. But I will probably freeze them and use them as black drum bait. But yeah, anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get on the road. Hopefully next time.